name is Andrew Taylor, and I'm the newest member of the ACY management team. I'm Managing Director of a new entity of the ACY Group that has been kept under wraps, that is until tonight. The ACY Group is proud to reveal to you all here tonight that it's created a standalone company purely focused on providing an innovative, state-of-the-art prime service that crosses traditional thinking by being positioned as a central hub to connect its clients to any of the institutional products of ACY, and is why we've called it ACY Connect. Thank you. But I hear you ask, Andrew, what does that all mean? And I say, I'm so glad you asked, because that way I get to stay up here longer and tell you all about it. Firstly, let me start by explaining ACY Connect's core service of providing liquidity to a prime. A quick overview of the FX liquidity structure and how the intermarket works. It will be just such a brief one, but it's very important to understand the ACY Connect's segment within this space. So here we have the interbank market, where the big end of town trade with each other in trillions of dollars a day, where the core of pricing really is. Here we have the institutional players. This segment come in various sizes, various types of volumes, but they really want to access what's happening in the interbank market space. And here we have the retail market. This segment relies on the institutional market makers to provide them liquidity to trade on. And here is the prime space. This segment plays a vital role in accessing interbank liquidity and distributing it to the rest of the market. To do this, a prime needs a prime broker in that interbank market space. However, the prime broker space has seen some monumental shifts in recent years, and which has created the opportunity that ACY Connect will target and service. Those monumental shifts occurred through sweeping changes in global financial regulations, which led to the prime broker segment reassessing their appetite to want to partner and service the prime and institutional space. These changes, these regulatory changes, increased costs, applied constraints to prime brokers that ultimately resulted with them exiting the prime broker space, or for those that remained, did so under much stricter conditions. This resulted in prime brokers demanding greater volumes from clients, higher ticket fees, and the need for those prospective clients to have much greater balance sheets. This simply made the idea of attaining a prime broker relationship out of reach for the vast majority of the participants, and therefore widened the gap from the prime brokers to the rest of the market. However, it did strengthen the prime's position. This prime space is for those participants that can meet the high barrier to attain a PB, a prime broker, and in turn act as a prime broker to its institutional clients. And it's this space that ACY Connect will focus on. So in summary, whilst many prime brokers try and reinvent themselves from the old legacy structures, ACY Connect has the technical foresight, financial backing, and also development resources to truly create an innovative product well beyond just the core prime liquidity solutions. And by this, I mean ACY Connect will connect you to Tier 1 bank and non-bank liquidity, to optimise transparent execution based on pricing intelligence, real-time analytics, connect to liquidity streamed in low-latent, co-located data centres via API, connect to risk management and pre and post analytic services, connect to portfolio management solutions, connect to a wide range of marketing tools that are designed specifically for the institutional clients, and connect to any number of the white label platforms that the company offers, whether it's platforms, portals or systems. I can't help but to think back to those early days as an inexperienced young kid and the excitement you felt walking into a dealing room. Well, this is the same sort of feeling you get through this new evolutionary phase of this of a market that I love, and definitely exciting times ahead. So thank you all, thank you for listening, and please enjoy the rest of your night.